Welcome to this week's edition of Obesity Updates, covering the latest breakthroughs. Brought to you by LucidQuest, Eccogene and AstraZeneca have dosed the first patient in their Phase 1b trial of AZD5004, also known as ECC5004, in China. This once-daily oral GLP-1 receptor agonist is designed for both obesity and type 2 diabetes. The study is part of a regulatory strategy specific to China and complements two ongoing global Phase 2b trials, VISTA and Solstice. Novo Nordisk is moving amycretin into Phase 3 trials after notable success in early-stage studies. In Phase 1b/2a trials, the weekly injectable form led to up to 24.3% weight loss. The oral version also demonstrated significant impact, with up to 13.1% weight loss over 12 weeks. Most treatment-emergent adverse events were mild to moderate and primarily gastrointestinal in nature. Regulatory feedback has supported the direct progression to Phase 3 for both formulations. Eli Lilly is preparing to release critical Phase 3 data on its oral obesity drug orforglipron in the third quarter of 2025. In prior studies, orforglipron enabled approximately 8% body weight loss in patients with type 2 diabetes. Lilly intends to submit full obesity data to regulatory agencies before the end of this year. The pill's oral formulation is expected to streamline manufacturing and improve global accessibility. Sciwind Biosciences reports that its GLP-1 receptor agonist, ecnoglutide, has matched the performance of Novo Nordisk's Wegovy in a Phase 3 trial. The study, which included 664 participants across 36 sites in China, demonstrated up to 15.4% weight loss over 48 weeks with weekly injections. Gastrointestinal side effects were commonly observed but remained manageable throughout the trial. Sweden has announced an $18 million obesity-focused research initiative. Launched by the University of Gothenburg in collaboration with AstraZeneca and other stakeholders, the program targets obesity, hypertension, and type 2 diabetes. Beginning in 2026, the initiative will fund a decade-long effort aimed at establishing West Sweden as a global center for metabolic research. India-based Utopia Therapeutics has raised $1.5 million in pre-seed funding to advance UT009, a preclinical obesity vaccine. The immunotherapeutic approach targets lipid-associated antigens to reduce fat accumulation and improve metabolic health. Backed by the Whale Tank Fund, the financing will support full preclinical development and prepare the company for regulatory filings and human trials. Stay ahead in obesity research. Like, share, and subscribe for weekly updates. Visit lqventures.com or email us at